Yo, Sully.
Ready?
Sully's first time swimming. Let's see if he likes it.
So far, so good.
It's chilly. Is it cold? Is it cold?
He's not sure what to think.
Fat. He's so much fat, he feels like a float.
He's a floater.
I seriously feel like I can let him go and he float.
He's not too
He's not-
impressed. I think he's ready to go, like a fish.
Can you swim like a fish?
I think he's ready to kick.
You a water baby?
He said
likes
yes.
I
He
think
said
likes
yes.
it. Yeah? He's not thrilled or upset about it. He's just totally indifferent. He's just like, yeah, I'm in the water, so what?
He's just chilling. It's hilarious.
Okay.
You like the water?
I think so.
Doesn't hate it.
Knee deep in the water somewhere.
I think he likes it.
Kicking around and stuff.
That's pretty good. He's not freaking out.
He loves it. He's not smiling, but he's just doing stuff.
He's thinking about it first. You love the water.
You like it?
Or do you hate it? I can't tell. I think you like it.
I think he does.
Oh, he loves it. We're gonna have to go swimming lessons, huh?
Let me get the feet. Let me zoom in.
Look at his little feet.
And the
Just a go.
kickers. Aha. Oh my god. He's ready to go. Aren't you, Sully? Oh my god. He's ready to go.
He loves it. Yeah. Okay.
That's great.